Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want real-time guidance during your runs, Runna's audio cues can announce pace targets, intervals, and workout instructions, so you don't need to keep checking your screen. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use audio cues in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Runna app, log into your account, and go to the home screen or training plan. Okay, make sure your plan is active. Okay, so tap your profile icon like this one, go to settings, so scroll down until you find settings in this area or in this section. Look for audio cues or voice guidance. This is where you control announcements. So toggle audio cues to on, choose what you want to hear, pace, alert, time or distance, update, workout starts and finish cues, customize cues to your preferences. Okay, so connect your headphones. This is optional. Turn on your Bluetooth headphones, pair them with your phone or watch. Make sure sound is working because headphones make cues easier to hear. Now start a workout. To open today's workouts. Okay, tap start workout, begin running. During the run, you will hear voice instructions, alerts will guide pace and intervals. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.